Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm Neil McAvoy, leader of Propel, Wales's brand new political party. I first got elected to the Senedd 5 years ago, and I found it full of obstacles. It was my job to overcome them and work hard, but nothing prepared me for these barriers. Barriers to everyday people like you and me being elected here. Barriers to proper scrutiny of what is going on in that building. And barriers to the interest of the Welsh people properly being represented in the Senedd. But this Senedd, our Parliament, gives us an opportunity. If you use your vote wisely, together we can remove the obstacles holding our nation back.
Hi, Jazz.
How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, good, mate. Not too bad. Fed up, mate.
Lockdown?
Just lockdown, yeah. I go for a pint in Bristol, right? I can't have a pint in Cardiff. Tell me the sense behind that.
Tell me about it. Give me a sec.
Sorry. Right.
I grew up and went to school on a council estate, and for many years worked as a teacher. I first got into politics as a teenager, campaigned against Thatcher's exploitative youth training scheme. Remember Thatcher? I campaigned hard for Welsh devolution, and I remember the joy as the results came in 1997. Wales finally had a parliament of its own. 19 years later, I could never have imagined seeing our parliament barricaded inside and out. Despite this parliament here gives us the opportunity to set ourselves free. Other parties' manifestos will gather dust, but Propel has the contract with Wales. That's our contract with you, the people of Wales. It includes 10 laws that we will introduce if we're part of the government after May. On day one of a Propel-supported government, we will appoint an independent investigator to report on Labour waste, fraud and corruption. We'll launch an independent inquiry into the handling of the coronavirus pandemic. And we'll end Labour's extreme and ineffective lockdown measures. A very simple message. End lockdowns, end them now, and don't go back into them. We'll deliver an efficient, scientific, safe way out of the pandemic. We'll also vote through a modern Direct Democracy Act so that power is put in the hands of the people. That will give you out there the power to bring about referenda that will be legally binding at both national and local level. Instead of importing gas from the Middle East and Russia, we'll bring in a Welsh Energy Independence Act. So we will use Welsh gas. And did you even know we had this resource? It will bring in billions of pounds in profits. And with this money, we can set up a sovereign wealth fund that can be used to transition Wales to 100% renewable energy. You know, Welsh people don't have to live in poverty. We just need to demand more from our government. Propel in Power will remove the barriers which are holding us back. It's time to take control of our own destiny and transform our country. Wales needs champions. Vote Propel on May the 6th.